Welcome to the Bentley Library Research Essentials tutorials. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to search for and find news articles about a company or an industry using the library's research databases. Before we begin, it is important to identify the types of publications you will encounter and how they are different. A research database may contain articles from newspapers, popular magazines, scholarly journals, and trade publications. Magazines and newspapers are intended for a more general readership, while trade publications are directed at professionals in a particular field. Scholarly or peer-reviewed journals contain research shared by scholars with other scholars. All of these sources have an editorial process to ensure the accuracy of the information at the date of publication. While searching Google may find you some results, the Bentley Library databases can make searching for what you need to find easier by providing more search options. Let's say we are searching for articles on IBM. We can search for articles on IBM using ABI Inform Global, though other databases that are helpful for locating current business news articles include Business Source Complete and Business Insights Essentials. You can access ABI Inform Global from our library website by selecting our Databases A to Z link and using the Business Topics filter. You can type in your search terms at the top of the page in the search boxes, but before we continue, let's look at some of the search options further down the page that you can use while searching to find more relevant results. For instance, if you want an article published within the last 12 months, you can set that parameter in the Published Date section. If your assignment asks you to find an article about your company, you can select Article in the Document Type section. You can even select what type of publication you are looking for articles from. You might also notice that you can search specifically by company using the Company Organization search box. Once you've filled out the appropriate fields, you can hit Enter or click on Search. The left side of the screen on the results page gives you more options on how you can narrow your results. For example, you can resort the results by relevance, or you can take advantage of some of the search options you might not have used on the initial search page, such as adjusting the date range, selecting a publication type, and more. Once you find an article you would like to use in the results list, you can examine it further by clicking on the title of the article. In the record of the article, you can check the word count and other information about the article. The database also provides tools to help you keep track of your sources. You can email the article to yourself along with the APA citation, or you can use the Cite tool to copy the APA citation. Be careful of any citations that are generated from databases, as it is likely they may have errors, though they will have the essential pieces of information you will need to correctly cite the source. For instance, author, title of the article, date, and other information. You can use the database citation as a guide and clean up the formatting once it's in your document using examples found on our Citing Online Business Resources and APA Citation Guide. If you would like additional assistance or have any questions about your research, please contact us at the reference desk.